to be jumping into looking at how we can be adding fractions that have different sizes. So let's do that by taking a look at this first problem. The fourth grade classes are painting designs on tile squares to make a mural. Mrs. Kirk's class painted 3/10 of the mural, and Mr. Becker's class painted 21/100 of the mural. What part of the mural is painted? So, after reading this problem, I'm understanding that we have two sections of the mural that are painted. We have 3/10 and we have 21/100, and we're wondering what's the total amount of the mural that's been painted. And as I look at this problem, I'm not able to solve this, right? We know how to add fractions that are that have the same denominator, fractions that are the same size, right? But we can't add fractions that are different sizes with different denominators. And so we're going to look at today how we can use equivalent fractions to add these two fractions together so that they do have the same size, the same denominator. So as I'm looking at this, I'm noticing that 10 is a multiple of 100. As I'm looking at this, I'm noticing that 100 is a multiple of 10. And so I'm going to see if I can change this fraction to have a denominator of 100. So I'm thinking to myself, what do I need to do to 10 to get to 100? And I know I need to multiply by 10. So I'm going to do that on the top and bottom, the numerator and denominator, and I'm going to find 30/100 as my fraction that's equivalent to 3/10. If you think back to when we were shading in models, right, our 10 grids and our hundreds grids, for 3/10 we would shade in 3 columns, and we would do the same thing for 30/100, right? And so we know that these two fractions are equivalent. Now, the benefit of having this equivalent fraction is that I can now add my other fraction, 21/100, to my 30/100. And if I do that, I know 30 and 20 is 50, plus that 1 is 51. And my denominator just stays the same, right? Because I'm thinking about adding these parts of a total together. So I know that I have 51/100 of my mural that's painted.